One of the hardest hit areas, Penn Avenue between 150th and Memorial. You see News 4's Tanner De Leon is there live, and we're going to hear from him in just a moment.
But first, let's get an update from Emily Sutton in the Forewarned Storm Center. Emily, as you've been saying all evening, that escalated quickly.
Boy, did it ever. Just before the 6 p.m. newscast, a severe storm that tracked south instead of southeast through the heart of Oklahoma City, mainly then east of I-35. And this is reminiscent of May 16th, 2010, the costliest hailstorm to happen in the Oklahoma City metro. That's what I'm hearing a lot from the viewers. Check out this video from that area that was hard hit.
That is hail.
From our viewers. Sylvia, thanks for sharing this one. This was near Quail Springs Mall area in the Carter store, looking out. And then the video continues. You can hear her child say, "How are we going to get across? It's flooded." And rightfully so. In addition to that, we had very heavy rain. We had a large amount of hail as well. Take a look as this prolific hailstorm drops south. Look at all these hail reports right along the I-35 corridor off to the south and east, and it pulsed up briefly to baseball-sized hail, pulsed back down, and then we had several other areas of up to tennis ball-sized hail. So there's going to be a lot of Oklahomans cleaning up after today. Here's a wider view and what's left of the storm. Some good news, no severe storms at this time. There is still a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of eastern Oklahoma until 11 p.m. Let's zoom in, and we still have some showers moving through Perkins, down through Stroud, farther south. Some thunderstorms through Prague. Some of these are strong, could have some small hail and gusty winds. Here's a little hail core southeast of Johnson. So these could still pulse up briefly to severe limits in eastern Oklahoma. Weak showers heading into Ada. The front has already moved through the metro. We have a strong northeast wind. We're going to wake up to a cool start tomorrow morning. It's in the mid-60s right now. Look at Lawton ahead of the front, 80 degrees still. So yeah, it's very warm in southeastern Oklahoma. Here's a look at your night planner. By tomorrow morning in the upper 50s, it will be a cool one. Thankfully, calmer weather heading our way. I'll have more on that coming up.
Thank you.